Hey everyone, it's Andy here from MrYouWho, and today we're taking a closer look at the Edifier G200 Bluetooth magnetic speaker, as you can see just here. Now guys, if you've been following the channel, you know we've been reviewing some incredible Edifier products before, from bookshelf speakers to multi-room setups, but today we're focusing on something small and portable, the surprisingly powerful, the G200. And there it is just there. Now this little speaker might look tiny, but it's packed with features that make it perfect anywhere on the go. Whether you're at the beach, working out the gym, or taking a stroll through Brisbane's parks, having a speaker like this is a game changer. So let's dive into the details and see what makes the G200 stand out. So guys, start with the design. The Edifier G200 is compact, weighing just 62.5 grams, and it fits right into the palm of your hand, as you can see here. So look at it compared to it. The transparent casing with RGB lighting gives it a modern gaming-inspired vibe, but it's subtle enough to use anywhere without drawing too much attention. The magnetic base is a standout feature. It lets you attach the speakers on your phone, fridge, or any metal surface. It even doubles as a phone stand, which is super convenient for streaming or video calls. This is exactly the kind of speaker I love from active lifestyle here in Brisbane. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and incredibly versatile. Whether I'm heading to the gym or spending a sunny afternoon by the water, the G200 fits right in. So guys, having a look at what's in the box is simple and straightforward. Inside you'll find the G200 speaker itself, a USB-C charging cable, a lanyard for easy carrying, no unnecessary extras, just what you need to get started. Now let's talk about the sound. The G200 might be small, but it's equipped with a 40mm high sensitive driver that delivers clear, crisp audio. I was generally impressed by how full and warm the sound is for a speaker of its size. It's not going to shake the walls with bass, but for casual listening, it's fantastic. To magnet it to your phone. Well, say for example, here's the speaker just here. Here's my iPhone, pop it on there, and look at that, it sits on there as well. So it actually can sit there as a stand now, which is great. You just hold down the button and it pairs. Then you go to your phone, obviously, you pair it together as well and start playing the music. So I'll give you an example just now how that works. So now, listen to that. I'm gonna turn it right up. Listen to that. Now that's incredible for such a small speaker, isn't it? Let's do a quick sound test. First up, we'll try some acoustic music to hear the clarity of the highs and the mids. Really pick up the crispness of the guitar and vocals. It's sharp and clean without being too harsh. Now switch to something with more bass. You can see what doesn't hit those deep rumbling lows you'd expect from a larger speaker, still delivers a solid punch for its size. You'll notice the enhanced bass and reduced latency, which makes it great for gaming on the go as well. I've been putting the G200 to various tests in various settings. At the gym, I magnetically attached it to the metal frame of my bench. It was like having my own personal sound system without needing bulky equipment. At the beach, it was small enough to carry in my pocket and loud enough to keep the vibes going while hanging with friends. And while I was in the city, I clipped it to my bag strap. It's lightweight and doesn't get in the way, making it perfect for an active lifestyle. Guys, the 7-hour battery life is another big plus. Charge it during any of my sessions, and if you do run out of battery, you can charge it while using it. Super convenient if you've got a power bank handy. As you can see, it's got the USB-C charger just there as well. 0.3 connection is reliable and quick to pair, works seamlessly with phones, laptops, tablets, and even Nintendo Switch. Had zero issues with dropouts, and the range is great. Up to 10 meters without interruptions. Mind you, I went 10 meters, didn't quite get there to be honest, but that's okay. Switching between modes is simple. You've got music mode for balanced EQ and gaming mode for enhanced bass and low latency. And if RGB lights aren't your thing, you can turn them off with a quick tap. So is the Edifier G200 worth it? Absolutely. For such a small and affordable speaker, it delivers solid performance, great sound quality, and unmatched portability. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just relaxing, the G200 is a fantastic companion. And guys, before I wrap up, if you're enjoying the review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to stay up to date. We've also got the Edifier speaker Wi-Fi system where we set up all the Edifier Wi-Fi speakers all across the home, which is great to see. And also check out our giveaways. Anyway, thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.